Hello everyone, welcome back to Health Options 101, your trusted source for simple, effective health and beauty tips. If you've been dreaming of clear, glowing skin but don't want to spend a fortune on products, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing easy home remedies that can help you achieve that radiant, clear skin you've always wanted. Let's dive in. Alright, let's talk about some amazing, natural remedies you can find right in your kitchen or pantry. First, honey and cinnamon mask. Honey is a natural antibacterial, and cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties. Mix a teaspoon of honey with a pinch of cinnamon, apply it to your face, and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. It helps reduce redness, clear up acne, and leaves your skin feeling soft and smooth. Second, aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is a superstar when it comes to soothing irritated skin and reducing blemishes. Scoop out fresh aloe vera gel or use a high-quality store-bought one. Apply it as a moisturizer before bed and wake up to hydrated, refreshed skin. Third, turmeric and yogurt mask. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and brightening properties, while yogurt is a gentle exfoliant. Mix a teaspoon of turmeric with 2 teaspoons of plain yogurt to make a paste. Apply it to your face, let it sit for 10 minutes, then rinse off. It's perfect for evening out your skin tone. Fourth, green tea toner. Don't toss that used green tea bag. Brew some green tea, let it cool, and use it as a toner. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that reduce inflammation and tighten pores. Dab it on your face with a cotton pad or spray it on for a refreshing boost. Fifth, lemon and sugar scrub. This one's great for gentle exfoliation. Mix a teaspoon of sugar with a few drops of lemon juice to create a scrub. Use it to slough off dead skin cells and reveal brighter skin. Just remember, don't overdo it, and always moisturize after. These remedies are natural, but consistency is key. Give them time to work their magic. And there you have it. Simple, affordable remedies for clear, glowing skin. Remember, your skin deserves love and care. So try these out and see what works best for you. Thanks for watching Health Options 101. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's on their skincare journey. Take care, stay glowing, and we'll see you in the next one.